Hi, I'm Joraine Costales with the Costales team at Interior Real Estate out of the San Francisco Bay Area and Central Valley. Are you ready for this week's market update in 1 minute? Let's go. Existing home sales fell to the slowest pace since September of 2012. The 8th straight month of declines came as mortgage rates continued to rise. Housing sales dropped 8.1% in September, and single-family home sales fell to their lowest level in more than 2 years. Fed members continued emphasizing the need to raise rates into 2023 to curb inflation, even if it causes a recession. So this market we're seeing could possibly be the new norm. But the good news is that buyers in many areas can possibly benefit from seller concessions, easier negotiations, and more time to consider their options, unlike the climate 6 months ago, which was the complete opposite. What are your thoughts or comments? Feel free to like, comment, share, follow, or tag someone in this post if you haven't already, and feel free to reach out directly with any real estate needs or questions regarding buying or selling. See you on next week's episode. Bye.